In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage a website using the Hostinger Hpanel dashboard. If you've recently launched a website on Hostinger, understanding how to navigate and control everything inside Hpanel is extremely important. From managing files and domains to monitoring performance and accessing WordPress, Hpanel gives you all the tools you need to keep your website running smoothly. The good news is that it's actually very beginner-friendly once you know where everything is located. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to access your website dashboard, manage files, control domains and settings, and monitor your site performance. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then sign in using the email and password associated with your hosting account. Once you log in, you'll arrive at the Hostinger main dashboard. This is the central place where all your hosting services and websites are listed. On the left side of the screen, look for the option called Websites and click on it. This section displays every website connected to your hosting plan. If you only have one website, you'll see it listed here. If you manage multiple websites, they will all appear in this section. Next to the website you want to manage, click the Dashboard button. This will open the website management area for that specific site. Inside this dashboard, you'll find all the important tools needed to control and maintain your website. One of the most important sections here is the File Manager. To access it, go to Files and then click File Manager. The File Manager allows you to view, upload, edit, and organize all the files that make up your website. This includes things like HTML files, images, CSS files, and other important website resources. If you ever need to upload a new file, replace an existing one, or manually edit your site files, this is where you'll do it. Another important area of the Hostinger website dashboard is where you manage your domains, SSL certificates, backups, and databases. These options are usually available directly from the main dashboard menu for the selected website. For example, the SSL section allows you to activate or manage your SSL certificate, which secures your website with HTTPS. This is essential for website security and also helps with search engine rankings. You'll also find the Backup section, which allows you to restore your website if something goes wrong. Regular backups are extremely useful if you ever accidentally change something or install a plugin that breaks your site. With just a few clicks, you can restore your website to a previous working version. Hostinger also allows you to manage databases directly from this dashboard. Databases are especially important if your website runs on a content management system like WordPress. From here, you can access database tools and manage stored website data when needed. Another useful feature inside Hpanel is performance monitoring. Within your website dashboard, you can check resource usage, performance settings, and optimization tools. Monitoring these settings helps ensure your website loads quickly and runs efficiently for visitors. Now, if your website is built using WordPress, Hostinger makes it very easy to manage your content. Simply go back to the websites list and locate your site again. You'll see an option called WordPress Admin. Clicking this will instantly log you into your WordPress dashboard, where you can manage posts, pages, plugins, themes, and other website content. This integration saves a lot of time because you don't need to manually log in through the typical WordPress login page. Everything can be accessed directly from your Hostinger control panel. By learning how to use these main sections in Hpanel, including the website dashboard, file manager, domain settings, backups, databases, and WordPress admin, you'll be able to fully control and manage your website from one simple interface. And that's how to manage a website using Hostinger Hpanel. Once you get familiar with the dashboard, maintaining your website becomes much easier and faster. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website tutorials, hosting guides, and simple tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.